Seriously, breakfast for dinner is totally my jam, and so are tacos. Both are super versatile, easy to make, and they taste like $1,000,000 every single time. And the best part is that nobody complains when breakfast anything is made for dinner. I'm just going to start cracking these eggs. Now that my eggs are whisked and my bacon is cooked, all I have to do is get cooking. The cherry tomatoes are gonna go on top of the breakfast tacos along with the diced avocado to give it a fresh element, plus add some color. So I'm just gonna cook my eggs in a large non-stick pan. And while these are cooking, I'm going to heat up my tortillas. Seriously though, I love recipes that allow me to multitask and make food come together that much faster. All right, the eggs are done, the tortillas are warmed, and I'm just gonna give my bacon a coarse chop. All we need to do is assemble. So let's scoop some of the eggs on top of each tortilla. I'm gonna add some cheese, but whether or not you add cheese, that's totally optional. By all means, if you love cheese like me, add it if you want. And then our bacon, some of the cherry tomatoes. Now, if you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can totally use salsa. And avocado. Now let's just sprinkle a little cilantro. Oh man, it's so crazy how good simple ingredients can make such an epic bite. You guys, bacon and eggs is such a breakfast classic, and when in doubt, add avocado and you're good to go. Make sure to check out the links to the book and recipe details right below this video. And if you love tacos and want to cook a new recipe together every single week, click that red subscribe button. See you next time.